fine. Oh my gosh, this is a weird superstition. Why am I doing this? Whoa! This is so ridiculous.
Hurry
Like I'm
up.
being watched.
Okay, hopefully this will work. Come, let's try this way.
What are you doing out here? You know it's dangerous to be out this late at night.
I know, I couldn't sleep, so I dragged Carl out of his hut to
Yeah,
walk
you
with me and then...
Zimbabwe.
Stop!
Six around the village.
What's this? Why would you take the Mangas's daughter?
No,
know
stop!
what-
It's not
outside
his
of
fault. I
Zimbabwe.
made him come with me.
How
I
dare
didn't
you
know
take
we were
her?
in
She should
Zimbabwe.
never leave village walls this late at night, especially with the Diablo roaming around.
The Diablo?
Oh, I got you that roar!
You heard the roar?
You brought a curse to our village. How dare you? You are not who you said you were. You are not here to save us. You are the cause of our plight. But we never said we silence.
Let us bring him back and have the gods decide his fate.
No, we shall destroy this demon. His intentions are not pure.
Oh shit.
Holy shit.
Get out of the way.
Ah, dude, me pega.
Get up and show me what you really can do. What are you gonna do now? You won't win! Yeah, get the birds! They will destroy you and your people! Come! Let's finish this!